Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing video. For today's video, we are checking out this backlit wireless keyboard and mouse combination. So it's about time we get replacing our keyboard and mouse. We've been putting a lot of heavy use on it, so hey, that's the price you pay being a content creator. So I'm curious. Alright guys, so right off the bat, this is the mouse. You know what I like about this? It's, ooh, that's actually very quiet. So you can charge it with the front port. It is wireless, so underneath it, you plug this into your computer or laptop or device USB port, and that allows you to control the mouse without a wire. That's nice and sleek design. You know, see, this is something, oh, you got a backlight switch on here. Okay, so that's cool. You have the switch on there, so you can turn that on and off if you want. But what I like about this mouse is simple. I don't like those mice. How do you say it? I don't like those mouse. I don't like those. I don't know. Anyway, I don't like the mice or mouse that have so many buttons on it. I like simplicity. So here's the keyboard. Ooh, that is a nice stealthy black keyboard. Wow, I like that. Underneath it, you have little legs, so it gives you that little slant. The keys are semi-quiet, so that is a plus. They're not so loud like some of those other keyboards. Very nice. All right, so you have your on and off switch here. You have your charging port right here to charge it. And again, this is a wireless mouse and keyboard combination. So it doesn't look like there's a USB for this. So this probably works for both the mouse and the keyboard. So it's one USB, unless there's some accessories in here that we're missing. So make sure you check every box. So they give you the power supply cable to charge everything. All right, that's all that's in there. Of course, they give you a manual as well, but that seems to be it. So guys, what's really awesome about this is if you don't want to charge it with your computer, because all you have to do is plug in the Type-C into either device and charge it. You can actually use a power bank just like this and plug it into, you know, whatever device you want to charge, like that. And now there's a red light letting us know that it's charging. Let's go ahead and see here. Alright guys, for the mouse, there's an on and off button, so make sure you slide it to the on position. For the backlight, if you press and hold it, you can turn it off. If you press and hold it again, you can turn it on. And it's got many different colored lights all around it. We're obviously going to show you guys how it looks in the dark, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, check out this mouse. This is so cool. So you can change all the color settings on here, different settings. So cool, man. So cool. If you guys are debating getting this, well, hopefully this video helps you. Very nice.